Pour 35 grams of rolled oats. Add 1 tablespoon of Badia Trilogy health seeds. Add 50 grams of whey protein. Add 150 milliliters of Fairlife milk. Add some salt. Add cinnamon. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar-free caramel syrup. Add 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. Mix. If you're not a fan of whey protein, I have a second version that you can try. Once again, pour 35 grams of rolled oats. Add 1 tablespoon of Badia Trilogy health seeds. And add a whole 25 grams of protein ratio yogurt. Add 60 milliliters of Fairlife milk. Add salt. Add cinnamon. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar-free caramel syrup. Add 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. And mix. Now, if you are a fan of fruit and want to add them, here are 3 fruits I added, as well as coconut flakes and chocolate chips, bananas, strawberries, and blueberries. Now, I didn't measure them exactly, but we'll give an eyeball estimate of the calories and macros later in the video. Once they are prepared to your liking, seal them and store them in the fridge. They can last up to 3 days, so make sure you don't make more than 3 at a time. Here are the macros before any fruit or anything extra was added, and after they got added. Enjoy.